Look at the crowds drifting blind in the street, tangled in shadows with wandering feet, searching for truth on a glowing glass screen, missing the glory and living between the static, the noise, and the algorithm feed, chasing a phantom they don't really need. They're drowning in darkness and losing their way, while the culture is spinning and sinking in gray. And we sit in steeples while the world is on fire, ignoring the warning, ignoring the dire. The hour is late and the timeline is short. We've got to deliver a different report. Wake up, oh sleeper, wipe the sleep from your eyes. The rescue is moving, the children must rise. Prepare the way, prepare the way. The king is coming back, there's no time to delay. Tear down the walls, run into the street. Bring the lost to the fire, to the Savior's feet. Oh, children, rise, don't look away. Prepare the way. We are his hands and the voice in the wild. Go seek out the broken, the bruised and exiled. No time for our comfort, no time for our pride. We can't keep this fire locked up deep inside. The fields are all white, but the workers are few. He's calling the church and he's calling out you. Take up the crosses and carry the load. Go clear out the rubble and straighten the road. Prepare the way, prepare the way. The king is coming back, there's no time to delay. Tear down the walls, run into the street. Bring the lost to the fire, to the Savior's feet. Oh, children, rise, don't look away. Prepare the way. He must increase, we must decrease. Go break the chains, go fight for their peace. He must increase, we must decrease. The hour is midnight, let the urgency increase. Prepare the way, prepare the way. The king is coming back, there's no time to delay. Tear down the walls, run into the street. Bring the lost to the fire, to the Savior's feet. Oh, children, rise, don't look away. Prepare the way. The time is now, every knee is gonna have to bow. He is coming back. Don't let them stay lost. Prepare the way. Prepare the way. Prepare the way.